It's June 17th and Finn was such a good boy getting his nails trimmed. We're gonna give him a little treat.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree. No whiny wimpy little pooch, don't you see? A great big dog's the only one for me. Then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck. Yeah, but he's doing alright. And it's a Great Dane stands 6
Hey, welcome back to Finn the Great Dane puppy. And there's a lot of adventures Finn has, but now I'm going to take him on an adventure that he doesn't like, but we think it's pretty important to do. And that's keeping those nails trimmed up nice. And I don't use clippers, I use a Dremel. And I try and just do it every couple of weeks and just take a little bit off each time and avoid the nerve. And other than it being a little bothersome to him, I don't think it causes him any pain, and it definitely keeps those nails trim. There goes Finn. Finn, what do you say? Come here, look, come here. Oh, Mr. Whoop, get it. Right here. Come here, buddy. There you go. Ah, boy. Give me a little paw. Good boy, Ted. He still has his dew claws. And you will have them. We're not going to remove those. Hey! Let me do the back paw then. And we just don't get out for enough walks on concrete to make these take care of themselves. Stay right there. That paw's almost done. I love you. Oh yeah, I love you. Oh, I love you. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, you're so good. And he was just laying outside in 90-degree weather. Hey, we are done. What a good pup. Oh, he just did so good. I didn't get any close-ups or anything. I don't have a camera person right now. Everyone's busy today. It's Father's Day. But, I mean, that's good. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. They're still huge. Finn says, that's enough nail trimming for today. So, we do that again in 2 weeks. You do it regularly, you give them the treats and the love, and that'll be just fine. It's June 17th, and Finn was such a good boy getting his nails trimmed. We're going to give him a little treat. There, it's a good boy.
Is that some kind of horse? I said no, but he's doing alright.
Look at these nails. That's the next nail trim job we have to do. That's some adult nail right there. That's coming off in a few days. I mean, is that a good dog or what? Magic, good boy. Give me your other paw. Oh, there you go. There we go, Superman. Let's not leave Magic out. He's in here eating in his stall. Good boy. I know everyone wants the food bowls raised, but we're gonna be just fine like this. There's Finn's ready for him when he comes. Finn now has the full range of the stall he has for months. And he's got a nice little pad in there. I'm not ready to give him the memory foam pad yet. because I know what he'll do to it. So that's today's day with Finn the Great Dane and Magic, his uncle. And I hope you're enjoying everything that we're putting up, and we'll keep it coming, so keep subscribing, hit the notification, give us a like, and we'll see you next time on Finn the Great Dane.
When I close my eyes, it's a Great Dane in the neighborhood. Why can't every dog be just as good?